Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn VLAN configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. So VLAN is nothing but it is a virtual local area network. So in this video, we'll see how to create two different networks. So I have created one VLAN here. Its number is like VLAN 10. Again, here I have created another VLAN network. There is a VLAN 20, and in first VLAN I have connected two PCs. Again, in second VLAN, two PCs are there, and both of these VLANs are connected by using switch. Also, we have used router here to connect to this switch. So this router is called as router on a stick. So we'll see later why it is called as a router on a stick. Okay. Again, for these machines, we are going to assign different IP addresses like this. This is 0 machine. IP address will be 192.160.1.10. Again, within a same network, this another machine is there, PC1. So I will assign IP address as 192.168.1.20, and default gateway for both these machine will be 192.168.1.1. And similarly, here is another network VLAN 20. I have connected two PCs within this network by using switch. Again, IP address assigned to this machine is 192.168.2.10. Again, for this last machine, IP address will be 192.168.2.20. If you observe here, network is same. That's why here network address is same, 192.168.2. Subnet mask, automatically it will generate. It will be same for all. Again, default gateway will be, for this LAN, default gateway will be 192.168.2. By using trunk mode, we are going to connect this switch with router. And all these pieces are connected with switch by using fast Ethernet cable. Okay, so let's start with video. First, we have to open Cisco Packet Tracer. Now, within Cisco Packet Tracer, we have to take switch. First, we are going to take a switch. So just click on switch, and here first switch is there. So I will take that first switch. That is a 296024TT. And devices, that is PCs. So here PC option is shown. So what we have to do, first press control, then select whatever device you want, then leave the control button, so that you can just drop required pieces here. PC0, 1, PC2 and PC3. So these two PCs we are going to use in first network, PC0 and PC1. So again, go towards this switch option and just click here, so that it will get disabled and you can select the next networking device. Now we need a router. So again, here from networking, you have to click on network devices. Again, select the option router. Again, within a router, we are going to take router, that is a 2811. Take that router here. Now we want to establish a connection. Now see, when connection is within different types of devices, so at that time we are going to use copper straight through cable. So now we are connecting PC with switch, again switch with a router. So we are going to use copper straight through cable. Otherwise, automatically choose connection type, establish connection. So there is connection between PC0 to switch. So we have to select fast Ethernet 0, 1 here. Again, next we can use copper straight through cable also. Again, you have to select fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet. Again, next fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 3. Again fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 4. Again here we will take fast Ethernet 05 to fast Ethernet 00. Okay. Now we have done topology required for our VLAN configuration. Now we will see how to set IP addresses for different machines. So as per our diagram, we are going to set IP addresses like this. So first network is a VLAN 10. So first we will do the connectivity, or first we will set IP addresses in machines which are in VLAN 10. So first select the PC 0. Now here you have to go in desktop option. Desktop. Again IP configuration. Again IP configuration. You have to set IP address for this machine as 192.168.1.10. Okay. Subnet mask, once you click here, it will get automatically generated, and default gateway will be 192.168.1. and DNS server, keep it as it is. Now similarly set IP addresses for another machine also, that is PC1. Again configuration, IP address will be 192.168.1.20. Again subnet mask, it will generate automatically, and default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. This will be default gateway. Again select the machine PC, which is in another network. So again open this desktop IP configuration. So IP address will be 192.168.2.10. Subnet mask, it will generate automatically, and default gateway will be 192.168.2.2. Just copy this so that we can use it for next machine. Just close this. Afterwards, now the PC3 from second VLAN network. Again go to the desktop IP configuration. Again IP address will be 192.168.2.20. Subnet mask, once you click here, it will get automatically generated. Default gateway, so we have copied default gateway for this VLAN, that is 192.168.2.2. so just close this. So for our understanding purpose, just I will highlight this. And here it is VLAN 10. Again for your reference, you can write here IP addresses for every machine also by using notes. Now we will move towards the configuration of switch. So just double click on the switch. Again here it is showing the physical configuration and CLI, that is a command line interface. So open the command line interface. Within CLI, first you will get interface like this. So just press enter. It is showing the switch option. Again switch, so first we have to enable switch. So type the command enable and press the enter. Now switch is enabled. We have to do the configuration. So type the command config space T, or you can type terminal also. After this, we want to do setting for virtual LAN 10. So type the command VLAN space 10. Okay. You can assign name to this LAN also. So suppose I am giving name HR1. Just press the enter. Now this name will get set to this LAN. Then you can set another LAN. So type the command VLAN space 20. Then press the enter. Again type the name space. Suppose I am giving the name as HR2. Now we will do the interface configuration. So type the command interface fast Ethernet access int FA 0/1. So 0/1 is nothing but we are going to connect for the PC 0 to switch. Again, see, we are connecting switch with devices like PCs. 4 PCs are connected to that switch. In this case, access mode is used. So set the access mode. So command to set access mode is switch port space mode space access. Press enter. Now access mode is given to that port of PC, that is PC 0. Again, we have to set the LAN also. For that, type the commands switch port access VLAN 10. Press the enter. Okay. Now we have set interface for 0/1, that is for PC 0. Now we will do the same procedure for PC 1 also. So again repeat the command interface fast Ethernet access, that is int FA. After that 0/2. Again press the enter. Means this setting is for PC 1 because there is a Ethernet access 0/2. So again switch port mode access, just press the enter. Next command switch port access VLAN. Now within same network we have PC 1 also. So just take VLAN 10 and press the enter. Now we have done setting for PC 1. Now we are going to do setting for PC number 2, that is PC 2, and for that interface will be interface fast Ethernet access FA 0/3. Again press the enter. Then type the command switch port mode access. After that we have to give the network also. So switch port access VLAN. Now see PC 2 machine is within LAN 20. So we have to give the address here as a 20 and just press the enter button. Now we have done setting for interface setting for PC 2. Now we have to move towards the PC 3. We type the command interface fast Ethernet access 0/4. Then press the enter. Then next mode we have to activate, that is a switch port mode access, because we are using access mode because it is used between the switch and PCs. When switch is connected to similar type of devices that are PCs, at this time we can use then we have to give here the LAN, that is a switch port access VLAN 20. Now see this command you can use the up and down arrow keys, so that whatever command you are typing it will get repeated. So that is a shortcut. Just you move the arrow keys, okay, and just press the enter. Now see we have done interface setting for all the 4 machines. Okay. Now we will move towards the next part, that is nothing but the interface setting for the router, that is a interface. So type the command interface int space fast Ethernet access 0/5. Again press the enter. Now see here we are connecting switch. Ethernet 5 is connected between switch and router. Okay. So when the switch is connected to the router, it is also called as a router on a stick. And mode we have to set for this is nothing but the trunk mode, because trunk mode allows switch to connect with router. So type the command switch port mode, and here we have to give the trunk mode TRU and get trunk mode to connect with router. Now we have done setting for the switch. So we will move towards router. So just close this. Again, double click on router. Here it is asking, would you like to enter initial configuration dialog? So just type no and just press enter. So it will show the option of router. Again, we have to enable router. So here type the command enable, enable. Just press the enter. Now router is enabled. We want to configure this. So type the command configure T, that is the terminal. So we'll start with the configuration. Type the command interface fast Ethernet access 0/0. Press the enter. After this, type the command int fast Ethernet access 0/0 dot ping. So VLAN having address as a 10. So just press the enter. So type the next command encapsulation space dot dot 1q. It is 1q space 10. So what is purpose of this encapsulation command? So encapsulation dot 1q command is used to connect switch with the router, and we have to provide the address of VLAN here, that is the 10. So command is like that, encapsulation dot 1q space VLAN. Here we have to provide the VLAN address. So just press the enter. Now we have to set IP address for this also. So type the command IP address ADD. After that, we have to give this is a default gateway. After that, we have to provide a subnet mask. So 255.255.255.0. So it is our subnet mask, and just press enter. So again, type the command interface fast Ethernet access 0/0.20. Means we are connecting this interface with the VLAN having address as a 20. Again, we use the encapsulation command. So what I have told, encapsulation command is used to connect router with switch. Okay, so the command is like that, encapsulation dot 1q space VLAN and VLAN, that is our VLAN is 20, and press enter button. Now we have to give IP address. So type IP ADD, that is the address. Here we have to provide the IP address 192.168.2.2. It is our default gateway. It's subnet mask. So subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Now we have done setting for the CLI also. Here for all the connection, it is showing green symbol, means data transfer can performed here, but here still it is showing the red, means some setting is missing. Again, Ethernet 00, fast Ethernet 00. Now here we have to on this fast Ethernet also 00, and just close this. Now see, it is showing data transfer can be performed within router and switch also. Now friends, it's time to check the connectivity and send the PDUs. So you can use command prompt, or you can directly send the PDUs also. So first we'll try for the PDUs. So select the PDU, and I want to send this PDU from PC0 to PC3. Sometimes it shows the network failed. So you have to repeat the procedure again and again. Okay, so again try within same network. Suppose PC0 to PC1. Again it is showing successful. Now I will try from PC1 to PC2, which is in another network. Again it's failed. So you have to go for trial and error. Sometimes uh, I, either one also packet gets failed. It shows the whole status as a failed. So repeat the procedure once again. So I will send from PC0 to PC2. Now again it is showing the status as a successful. Suppose this is our first machine and we want to send data towards. Okay, so select the machine and open the command prompt and type the command ping, and you can give machine address of destination machine where you want to send the data. So mm, we want to send data in another VLAN network, so it will be 192.168.2. Either we can give 10 or 20. Okay, because only two machines are there. So first I will give the 10 and just press the enter. Now say it is showing send 4, received 4. From machine PC0 to PC2, it is sending the packet. So we will try for PC3 also. So IP address for that will be 192.168.2.20. Just press the enter. Now see, again it is showing send 4, received 4, lost 0. Means from machine 1, you can send data towards the, means from PC0, you can send data towards the PC4 also. Similarly, you can try for another devices also. Suppose from this machine, I want to send data. So it will be open the command prompt, ping 192.168.1.20. Send for, receive for. Again, from the same machine to the PC0, we can try. Again, see, it is showing send for and received for. Means in this way, we are able to send data between different VLAN networks. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.